Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, 28th of December 2017. So in the pound yesterday, it's just a straightforward up move. Not a great range. The market's back to normal on Tuesday next, so that's going to be the 2nd of January. Again, you can see the market sideways overnight, and then a bit of an up move in the Asian part and moving up at the moment. But nothing major to report there. You can see that moving average is green, back above it, and we could do with marking up a few annotations here. Let's put in a fib retracement there, 62 and 76. So that's going to be the first area of resistance should prices continue to move higher here. In the news today, we've got just US news. I don't think there's anything out for the UK this week. Chicago PMI, and we've got crude oil inventories, one at 245, 15 minutes after the market opens, medium impact, and then the usual weekly inventories, which means that the US markets were open on Monday when everything else was closed in observation of the Boxing Day holidays. And the Dow yesterday, very quiet range. Again, you'd expect this. Tried to go short. You see the buying coming in here. Bit more selling following with this red selling bar. But immediately after, selling disappears. And if I just remove those arrows so I can show you this, you then get some buying coming in. And then it's a one-way bet. A bit of potential weakness there. Market finds resistance, and then the rest is just down, and no reaction after the market tests in all of these areas here. There's just no follow through to the upside until the market gets towards the close. And you'll see in these bars here, let me just grab a data window. We've got 20:55, 5 minutes before the official close. You've got some buying here, and all this is not new buying, it's just the shorts from this down move taking profits, because if you're short in the futures, you have to buy to get out. And then overnight, the market's testing the what we got up here, 24,800, only 200 points off the 25,000 level. In the daily chart, you can see that it's very, very tight sideways range, but we do have this sort of triangular pattern, which is consistent with the market breaking to the upside there. So again, we'll see what happens during the next couple of days. That's today and tomorrow, of course, and then Monday the market's closed again, and then everything back to normal on Tuesday. Quick look at the implied volatility and what you would expect in this market at the moment. Fairly quiet, so 895 down to 874 for yesterday. Bit of a tight range developing here in the implied, so see what again happens on Tuesday when the markets all kick off. And then finally, let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. It's been volatile over the last few days, and as you can see, this is the 4-hour chart. We had a fair drop in the price. You can see them buying back into the market here. I can tell you now that this is a 76% retracement to this level here, just there. And then we've seen the market move higher. You can see there the green candles, and then it's moving back on the overnight. And with that, your crucial area is going to be here. If the market moves lower, you don't want to see it breach here, otherwise I'll have a test over here and over here. But at the moment, we've got a very high volume there supporting the market. And the reason for the drop in the overnight is purely and simply because of this South Korea shutdown. Threat sparks crypto carnage, and according to the article, Bitcoin has plunged over 1,000 in early Asia trading, and the rest of the majors in the crypto space have followed after South Korean officials said they will review various measures, including the shutdown of exchanges to curb cryptocurrency speculation. You're not allowed to do anything in a democracy now without the authorities sanction it. And we've got here, according to a statement from the Office of Government Policy Coordination, they are not happy. They are about this, because obviously it's decentralized from the central banks. So yeah, it's a great, isn't it? You just love the words that they use. They've got here, cryptocurrency speculation has been irrationally overheated in Korea, the government said in a statement which comes a little more than a week after the bankruptcy filing of one South Korean exchange. The government can't leave the abnormal situation of speculation any longer. No, we must protect not the people, but our position. So that's what this is all about. So that's why you're seeing this drop, but it hasn't had too much of an impact. And there's a lot of Korean exchanges as well, so that's probably why a bit of impact there. But like I say, you've got to just watch this area here, look for similar volume to this in this area, and if that holds, then you'd expect to see this to move back towards the upside there. Right, that will do it. Say a bit of a slow news week, and activity, of course, as we wait for everything to return to normal next week. Right, that will do for this one. If there's anything to report, I'll let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.